Good morning, rise and shine. Early bird gets the worm. Just checked my UPS tracking and it looks like the exhaust is going to be here today. So with that being said, we're going to head out to the garage in sub-zero weather. I have no heater. It's like 20 degrees out, maybe even less. I live on the Saginaw Bay waterfront. So when that cold comes off the water, it is cold. Let's tear it down and get started. This is a stock exhaust. All right, it's here. Let's get it out of this bubble wrap and take a look. Well, she is a beaut. Wow. I mean, that is an attractive exhaust. Now, once it heats up, it will change colors. It's going to have all that blue heat tint to it. So it's not going to stay nice and shiny chrome for long. It'll look more like that. But yeah, let's throw it on. All right, I got it all bolted up. Let's do a first start. Sounds pretty good. Honestly, I'm surprised it's not a little louder. It does have a screen resonator in there, but I don't know if that would make it any quieter or louder or not, but there it is. It looks good. That's for dang sure. It looks awesome. The real test would be driving. See how loud it is when you're actually getting on it. Let's check it out. Sound test.